In this video, I'm going to be digging into an email that was sent to Amazon Associates over the last couple of weeks. In this email, it said that if you don't generate sales every 30 days via API links, then Amazon will take away your API access. So could this be the end of our Amazon API access? Are we going to have to shut down our Woozone sites or any other kind of plugin that uses the Amazon API? Well, I don't think so. Let's have a look. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. Hope you're all well. Thanks for watching. So, did you get one of the emails from Amazon saying that you're going to lose access to your API if you don't generate sales via API links every 30 days? I did. The email looks just like this, and it basically says what I just said, and that is that you need to generate some sales via API links. But what does it actually mean? Well, if you're using the Woozone plugin and you've got the shopping cart still enabled, that basically means people are adding stuff to the cart on your site, and then when they check out, they get transferred over to Amazon, and all the stuff that they added to the cart on your site is then added to their cart on Amazon, and they check out and pay and you get your commission. If you're doing it that way, then you've got nothing to worry about with this email, providing that, of course, you are generating sales every 30 days. If you're not generating sales every 30 days, then this could be a problem for you. And yeah, you may lose access to the API, but don't worry, you can always reapply again. However, if you've turned the cart off on your site, maybe you saw the video I did back in November where I was playing around with turning the cart off to see if it improved conversion rates. This could be a problem because the links that are generated by Woozone when you've got the cart switched off are your normal text sort of links, the sort of links that you generate with the Amazon SiteStripe. So these are not going to count as Amazon API sales. So I had a word with AA team about this, and they said there's actually an option within Woozone that will change the links that are generated when you turn the cart off. If you go into Woozone and plugin options, and if you scroll down, you'll see this option which says show Amazon URL as by URL. And what this does is it changes the links so that when someone clicks on the button to go through to Amazon, they get sent to Amazon and the product is automatically added to their cart, similar to the way it does it with the checkout. Now, I've done some testing and these links do seem to count as Amazon API links. So if you turn your cart off, I suggest that you adjust that setting so that people have the stuff added to the cart automatically and you still get some Amazon API sales, which should then mean that you keep hold of your access to the API and you can continue syncing and importing products and all that good stuff that you can do with the API. By the way, you can find out the types of traffic that you're sending over to Amazon via your links. Just log into your Amazon Associates dashboard, scroll down, and you will find a link type performance report. And in there, it's all broken down in terms of the number of clicks and sales that you've generated via the different types of links. So there we have it. That's the change. I don't know why Amazon seem to want to get rid of the API for as many affiliates as they possibly can. Maybe it's a big resource overhead or something. It's just, yeah, a bit of a pain, isn't it? Because the sites that we create with Woozone, they really do need the API in order to work properly. What happens if Amazon do take away your product API access? Well, don't panic, don't give up. At the end of the day, the best way to promote your Amazon affiliate website is with blog content. So focus on that, create lots of good content. You can add links using the SiteStripe and you can generate some commissions that way. And then once you've got some traffic going through your site and you're generating some orders, you can then start adding products with Woozone again, and hopefully you'll start generating some API sales. You do only need one a month or one every 30 days, so that's not too hard. And then you'll be up and running again. But yeah, it's not the end of the world if you do lose access. Just kind of strip your site back, focus on the blog content and build up from there. That brings the end of this video. Be interested to hear what you think about these changes. Do leave me a comment below. I do read all the comments I get and I do my best to reply to as many as I possibly can. On the screen now, you'll see an eagle. If you click on that, you can subscribe and you'll see my face as well. That's my blog channel or vlog channel, whatever you want to call it. Do check it out if you haven't done so already. And there's also a couple of videos there for your viewing pleasure. They've been chosen especially for you, so I hope you like them. Until next time, bye for now.